What is this?
দেখি
But I can't help from walking out, still little weight. Just take my hand and understand. If you can see, I never planned to be a man, it just wasn't me. But now searching for commitment and other arms, I wanna still see.
Okay, so this massive mirror is actually twice the size of my existing mirror, and to fix this we have 4 different springs here. So what we have to do, it's very easy. You have to put it in the bottom using both. Yeah, once you slide it up, this 2 spring-loaded prongs actually holds this with your original mirror, just like that. These 2 springs, and you have your big new mirror, which can see everything. So yeah, that solved a lot of problem. When I was driving, I had neck pain actually. So what it used to do is, when I used to drive, I had to look all the way to the left and I had to look all the way to the right, because this mirror was not that big, it was very small. So now I don't need to look all the way to the left, because it gets the entire view of the left side of the car, and then I have the right side of the mirror with a power mirror as well. So basically that's it. And well, so I thought, let's share this information with you all, because this is something that I am really enjoying, and it's not that expensive. It's only 600 or something, 650-ish. I got it from Daraz, and it's very good. I will put down the link that will help you to get this mirror. So বাংলায় বলছি, দারাজ থেকে আমি কিনছি, 650 মতো দাম নিচ্ছে, এবং 7-8 দিনের মধ্যে, 4-5 দিনের মধ্যে বেসিক্যালি চলে আসছে আমার কাছে। সো দ্যাট ওয়াজ এক্সেলেন্ট, অ্যান্ড আমি খুবই এনজয় করতেছি মিররটা। এইটা অনেক ওয়াইড একটা ভিউ দেয়, এবং আপনার ঘাটটাকে বেশি ঘুরাইতে হয় না। সো যদি ঢাকার রাস্তাতে আপনি গাড়ি চালায় থাকেন, আপনি জানেন যে ইটস আ পেইন, because you have to constantly look left and right because of this massive traffic. এই ট্রাফিকের জন্য যতখানি ঘাড় ঘুরাইতে হয়, ওইটা আপনার অনেক কমে যাবে। You will enjoy this definitely. I'm driving cars more than 2 decades. Yeah, so this is recommended, and this is actually good. All right, that's it for today. Catch you in the next one. Peace.